Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Prohibiting courts to entertain challenge in view of Article 243C, 243K, and 243O in respect of the above aspects raised by the petitioners pertaining to constitution oblique reconstitution oblique delimitation of panchayat areas under the Gazette notification dated 5/11/2014 cannot be entertained by this court under Article 226 of the Constitution, and the objection and contentions canvassed by the petitioners in view of Article 243C, 243K, read with 243O, coupled with law declared by the apex court, is wholly devoid of substance. Stop para. So far as the objection raised by counsel for petitioner that in the judgment cited by the apex court, as there was a clear prohibition of section 10(2) of the Delimitation Act, the writ petitions are maintainable, as the Delimitation Act is not applicable in the facts and circumstances of the instant case. Stop. The objections raised is of no substance for the reason that under 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, while introducing Part 9 bar to interference by courts in electoral matters under Article 243O under bracket A and corresponding amendments made in the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Act 1994, while functioning for delimitation oblique alteration of the Panchayati Raj institutions, are regulated in terms of Section 101 of the Act 1994, and at the same time there is a bar to interference by courts in the matters relating to delimitation of constituencies and wards under Section 117 of the Act 1994, and that being so, the principles laid down by the apex court are applicable in the facts and circumstances of the instant case, and the Gazette notification dated 5/11/2014 being a legislative act in nature and keeping in view the bar to interference in the matters relating to the delimitation of the constituencies under Article 243O under bracket A of the Constitution, and so also Section 117 of the Act 1994, the submission made by the petitioners suffers lack of merit. Stop para. In our considered view, we find substance in the preliminary objections raised by the respondents which deserve worth acceptance, and keeping in view the mandate of Article 243O under bracket A of the Constitution, read with Section 117 of the Act 1994, once a notification of delimitation of constituencies dated 5/11/2014 has been published in the Official Gazette under Section 101 of the Act 1994, it has got the force of law, and going by the effect of Article 243O under bracket A, interference by courts in respect of delimitation of constituencies is barred. Stop. Such is the importance of the said notification and the non obstantive clause therein is important and become operative. Stop para. A careful reading of the judgment of the division bench reveals that law laid down by the apex court in the case of State of UP and others versus Pradhan Sangh Kshetra Samiti and others under bracket Supra was relied upon by the division bench, and accordingly the writ petitions challenging the delimitation were dismissed. Stop para. This court finds that the division bench had formed its opinion on that basis of the judgment passed in the case of State of UP and others versus Pradhan Sangh Kshetra Samiti and others under bracket Supra under bracket 2 judge bench, and this court deems it proper to reproduce the relevant extract of the judgment passed by the apex court in the case of State of UP and others versus Pradhan Sangh Kshetra Samiti and others under bracket Supra as follows. What is more objectionable in the approach of the High Court is that although Clause A of Article 243(o) of the Constitution enacts a bar on the interference by the courts in electoral matters, including the questioning of the validity of any law relating to the delimitation of the constituencies or the allotment of seats to such constituencies made or purported to be made under Article 243(k) and the election to any panchayat, the High Court has gone into the question of the validity of the delimitation of the constituencies and also the allotment of seats to them. Stop. Thank you.